Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the exact tools you will use, so start now, get a playback app and a text editor. Once done, set playback speed to about 0. 8.1. 0x and enable hotkeys or a foot pedal to save time. Make sure to create a short style sheet for names, timestamps every 30 seconds, and a consistent file naming system. This first step prevents confusion later and makes the actual typing flow. Don't skip it, because consistency equals speed. You now focus on the core work. Transcribe in short segments, using 3 5-second rewind loops and pausing between 5-10-second phrases. While typing, mark unclear audio as inaudible one, timestamp it, and flag sections that need specialist review. Make sure to apply speaker labels and the punctuation rules from your style sheet. Decide whether you deliver verbatim or clean transcript, and be consistent. This middle phase is where accuracy grows. Slow down slightly to catch details and avoid later rework. You wrap up by doing a final quality pass. Listen at about 1.25x to confirm flow, verify timestamps, and check speaker labels. Once satisfied, export to the client's required format and include a brief README that documents conventions and any unresolved items. If you encounter noisy or garbled audio, troubleshoot by boosting gain, applying light noise reduction, or requesting a cleaner file from the client. This final step secures payment and prevents revision cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.